Oh, namin na-discover nga bagong playhouse, guys. Naranig siya sa 3rd floor sa Unitap. Yes, you're like a monkey.
I'm not gonna go down because there's four.
Yeah, tomorrow we will come back here. We will bring baby rocks. Yes, we will. Yes, we will come back here tomorrow with baby rocks. No, dili pa crowded, guys. Okay, gamay pa yung nakahibalo. Oh, mga bago pa kayong mga gamit. So, tomorrow I will bring baby rocks in school. And then after ati school, we will come here. Nag-open din sila pag December 13 ra. Yes. Tomorrow we will come back. Oh. Maybe, wait, I'm taking video. Wait, I'm taking video. Ilahang price rate. And so 10 to 8 p.m. Wow. Kuha na kayo na. Huh? Wait, what's your name po no? Ate is asking. Yun na. Hana, see you tomorrow. We will come back here tomorrow.